it's Kalki. We all know about the coming of an avatar. We've heard it through childhood as stories. And a filmmaker actually trying to make that in the science fiction world and had imagined you on day one as the Ashwatthama. So, what was your reaction to that?
When Nagi came and explained to me the idea, for a long time after he'd left, I was thinking, what the hell has Nagi been drinking? To think of something like this, it was absolutely something outrageous. And with some of the visuals that you've seen just now, it's just unbelievable to have somebody conceive a project which is so futuristic and so possible. And during the making of the film, we realized that no matter what he thought of, he actually got all the material, all the effects, every kind of visual or vision that he had. And that really has been an amazing experience. For me to be just a part of it has been an experience I'll never forget.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, you are now one of the biggest names in cinema, clearly. What is it like working with 1, 2, 3, 2? What do you do on set? What's your...
First, I should thank producer and
We touch each other's feet. He never allows me to do that, but Prabhas, be honest now.
yeah.
They're all ragging you, Nabha. I can see that. I can see that. You're pulling his leg. He's my friend's an introvert, sir. He's very all-powerful in the movies, but he's really an introvert and sweet man.
No, but what's wrong with touching his feet?
Tell me, boss, what's up? How is it working with, I think, line on each?
Yeah. So I should thank Dattgaru and Nagigaru for giving me opportunity with such greatest legends. It's like bigger than dream. And I don't know what to say. I was like, first I met Amitabh sir and I touched his feet. He said, don't do it. If you do it, I'll do it. I said, sir, please. I can't even think. We grew up watching you. My uncles had your hairstyle. He's the first actor in the country who reached every part of the country. South, North, we all know in Telugu, Tamil, you know, we saw like Amitabh Bachchan's hairstyle, that hairstyle, tall, any tall people they call Amitabh Bachchan. In South, he's the first actor I think who reached like that. Kamal sir, when his Sagar Sangam came, I asked my mother, I want his dress. My cousins, if he had, Indru Chandru had a tummy and they used to put a cloth on their stomach and they used to act in front of us, like, see, and I'm working with them. This is like something unbelievable and thank you.
And the lovely lady to your left.
So sorry. Yeah, and Deepika, I always wanted to...
The fact that he has said more than 2 sentences, we should be celebrating.
Please, big round of applause, please.
Yeah. So yeah, Deepika, I wanted to work with her always and some actors who can reach around such an international level and such a beautiful, gorgeous and superstar and a great actress. And it's beautiful to work with you. Thank you so much. So, yeah, that's it, I think.
Actually, I'm like this because of all the food he's fed me.
Okay, let's start by talking about that. Did all of you all eat great food on set? No?
Yes, got to see.
This man?
Yes. Every day. And it got to a point where it wasn't
You
just
never
food
ate.
coming from home. There was like full catering service. So the highlight of the day almost became what is Prabhas feeding everyone. And for those who know him well, know that he feeds from the heart. So
Awesome. So Deepika, when I was speaking to Nagi, I said, who do I talk about the story and who should reveal most things? He said, I think Deepika should speak about it. So we see you carrying, I mean, at first I thought you were like really in character trying to do this, but can you talk about your role and the film?
why?
Why?
You didn't ask any of them that question.
But I know Nagi put that in me. He said she is the one you should ask.
Can't. I think he said a lot about the movie and the worlds. But I mean, I think what I can definitely say is that it's unlike anything we've experienced or seen before. So even when I remember doing the narration for this through COVID, and Nagi was on Zoom and I was on the other end, and I think much like Kamal sir said, you know, you could see sparks of genius in him, even though this is just his second or third movie. You could tell that it was, as he was narrating, there wasn't much on paper, but it was all in his mind. And every time he spoke, and you look, and even now, when you look into his eyes, you can see that, you know, the entire visual of what he's envisioned over the years is so clear. And that's the only time, and I mean it in a good way, where you actually hear him speak, and speak so articulately, because that's the one thing that he's just completely consumed by and, you know, passionate about. And but yes, I mean, I really don't know. Very honestly, to your question, I don't know how much I can and cannot say. But yes, I play the mother. And yeah, and then the movie's out on the 27th for everyone to discover the rest of it.
So welcome to Telugu cinema. That I guess I have to say that to you in some ways. Are you going to do more films?
I mean, sure.
Like in Telugu?
If the audience would like me to, sure.
Awesome. Thank you. So we have a little tradition that Telugu cinema follows, and we thought we should bring it here along. And ladies and gentlemen, say hello to Swapna Dutt, the producer of the film. You're still in character.
I mean, the movie went on for about 3 years, so I was like, why not? Just a few months more.
So Nagi's really pushed you into being a method actor then.
I mean, clearly.
So tell us a little quickly about Nagi, and then we'll come back to this.
If Nagi opens his mouth and speaks, I'll be able to tell you a little bit about Nagi. But no, I think it's been an incredible experience. I think a great learning experience. I think, like Mr. Bachchan said, I think a completely new world. And I think we went through different phases of discovering what this movie was about. But I think the magic that is in Nagi's head is now here finally for everyone to see, and I think we as actors have discovered that along the way. So it's been an incredible experience at both a personal and a professional level.
It's awesome.
Thank
Please,
you.
ma'am, take a seat. I'll get you a mic. The mic for you. Sir, tell us about Nagashwin and tell us about Kalki.
Just as much as what you just said. It's just that I didn't go to school with him. But it's been a great honor to have worked in this product. And there are many things that I'd like to ask Nag and the rest of the cast and the crew. But we'll get time for that a little later on. It's been a truly wonderful experience to have worked in a setup where they've actually gone beyond thinking what most of us have been doing all our lives in this film industry. And I really appreciate the fact that they're moving a little ahead of times and making us a part of that and making us work in conditions that we never ever thought we would be able to work in. So I want to congratulate Nag and the production for thinking something like this film, and a great honor for me to be a part of it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I'll take the mic. I'll take the mic. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you are our encyclopedia, and with so much filmography, you still have newer looks and newer performances coming. How is that even possible?
That's possible because of good technicians and good directors. Otherwise, I think I'm enjoying it more now.
And what's your experience with Nagashwin and with this wild crew?
I was curious to begin with. I was sort of surprised, and then I'm in awe now. That's the stages.
If you could take your seat, we will
Thank
have
you.
the others of your lovely cast
Whoa.
on the stage, and we'll come back.
I'll leave the mic.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
We have these wonderful, wonderful artists here, जो कि अब आके आपके लिए कुछ प्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं, जो एक्सक्लूसिवली आप सबके लिए है, और जैसा मैंने कहा, आप सबके दिलों पे राज करने वाला है. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for these amazing artists जो यहाँ अब आने वाले हैं. Can we have Thank you so much. Give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. And now it's time to share with you कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा हटके. लेकिन before I play that for you, I just want to take a look at the front row. I'll start with Amitabh Bachchan साहब, ladies and gentlemen. Realize कर लो, just वो feeling होनी चाहिए, आनी चाहिए. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. I can't believe it. I'm going to enjoy this moment no matter what. Kamal Hassan saab, ladies and gentlemen. Pravas sir is here. And the supremely talented Deepika Padukone, ladies and gentlemen. Ashwini sir, thank you so much for doing this. Rana, you were awesome as always. Thank you so much. Anil Thadani saab is here. Of course, he's going to be distributing the movie AA Films se. It's only fair, you know, that we talk about all of them for doing this for Indian cinema. और ये अब पूरी दुनिया पे छाएगा, सबको बताएगा that this is what we all are capable of doing. Ladies and gentlemen, यहाँ पे अब एक एक करके मैं जो ये stellar cast है उन सबको बुलाना चाहूंगा. And of course, we'll start with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, ladies and gentlemen. I've often said this. I'm gonna say this again. I hope sir मुझे डांटे नहीं. मैंने हमेशा कहा है एक इंसान whenever we see him हम सबके मुंह से यही निकलता है, I love you Amitabh Bachchan, and I've said it time and again. I'm going to say it today. So thank you so much for doing this. Thank you so much. आप यहाँ आए और सबसे मुखातिब हो रहे हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, another legend जिनको फिल्में करने में मजा आता है, and जब वो पर्दे पे होते हैं, we enjoy watching him. Give it up for Kamal Hassan saab, ladies and gentlemen. What a moment, यार. You know, talk about experience. Combined experiences stage पे जब आप देखोगे ना, आप खुद सोचोगे ये क्या हो रहा है. Ladies and gentlemen, the biggest pan-Indian superstar. He has given us like openings ऐसी कि box office भी बोलता है, sir माफ कर दो. Give it up for Prabhas sir, ladies and gentlemen, the darling of the Indian film industry.